How's it going, folks? Voodoo Stache here. We're going to take a look today at how to perform an isometric bench press. Remember, the goal of the isometric holds are for you to get to the bottom of that range of motion. You're working, going through all your gears, harder, harder, harder. You're learning how to bear down and really activate all those muscles, getting a ton of neural drive, so your brain's getting really good at turning everything on so that you can get better and better when you actually start moving that weight again. So you're going to put a bunch of weight on here that you can't move. You're going to start off from getting into the end of that bar. Big thing here I want to think about is I like to keep my rib cage down, my back nice and flat, wedging those shoulders into the back into the bench, getting your grip all set. So what I'm going to think about is I'm going to slowly activate and press through this bar here, and I'm going to go through all my gears. So here we go. So I'm going to lock things in place. Ribs are down, back is flat. Deep breath in. I'm going to slowly start pushing. Push a little harder. 3, 4, 5. You're pushing as hard as you can, holding there for the prescribed amount of time, whatever that is, and then relax. Again, when you look at someone doing this, it looks like they're doing nothing, but you are actively creating tension through all those gears until you hit your peak and hold them there for the prescribed amount of time. Try it out, let me know how it goes.